Hello, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'm going to make Alaskan Snow Legs Salad. Let's get started. Our main ingredient today is Alaskan Snow Legs. It is made up of Alaskan Pollock fish and crab meat. It is pre-cooked and it comes frozen in this package in 1.5 pounds or 680 grams. This is a crab-flavoured seafood. You can just thaw it and eat. The ingredients we are using are as follows: mayonnaise, sour cream, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, bell pepper, mint, and the main item is our snow legs. We'll start this by adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, salt. This was about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 bell pepper chopped up in slices. I'll blend this thing up. It looks pretty good right now, and I'm going to add our snow legs. I'll put these snow legs in the bowl. And slowly blend it with the mix. Some of them might break, that is okay. This is snow legs blended with ingredients. Now I'm going to plate this and put our final garnishing in the end. I'm going to plate it now. Now this is the last step. I've chopped about a tablespoon of fresh mint and I'll put it on top. This completes our recipe. You can serve this as a small portion as side dish, or you can also eat as whole meal because fish is heavy meat.
This is our finished snow legs recipe ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time. Now I'll do taste test. It's soft and tasty. Nothing else to say. You should try it. It tastes more like fish than crab, but it's nice and delicious, soft and tasty.